So you spoke about idea validation. What is the simplest way to validate an idea? Because every other person has a different idea and they find it very difficult to validate it. In fact, several times I've had multiple ideas even before starting this, and there was no way to validate it. Is there a framework for idea validation?
Yeah, we can make it very simple. Most people unfortunately think of idea validation, मतलब इतना heavy word हो जाता है ना कि लोग सोचते हैं इसमें professionals लाना है, research करना है, ये सब
Correct.
कुछ नहीं करना है तुमको. The world is so digitally connected nowadays that it's very easy to validate ideas, at least to some extent. One of the easiest ways is to create a WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Zero cost. Create a WhatsApp group of a few hundred people. Friends, family, fools, acquaintances. Let's say you are launching a spicy sauce. Tabasco nahi hai world mein. Tabasco has become the number one spicy sauce. I feel like somebody in India should create an equivalent spicy sauce.
Yeah.
And take on the world. Like in India mein kya hai? Log ek cheez banate hain, then they want to become a food company, then they want to become... So, if you want to be a one product company, that's a side narrative, let's forget about that. But let's say you want to launch the spicy sauce. आप एक WhatsApp group create कीजिए. Get a few hundred people on it. Then use AI to generate images, again free. Images of this bottle, what it stands for, the positioning, the branding, just coming up. You don't have to go to any professionals. अगर आपको करना है, if you're passionate about this, you have figured out, you've seen the best of the world already.
Yeah.
अगर वही नहीं किया, then you have no right to start. You should not be starting up. You should be working for somebody, or you should be doing some job somewhere or something else. Right. But if you want to start, then my working assumption is, you have done all your research. आपने benchmark कर लिया, आपने पूरी दुनिया छान ली कि इसमें चीज कैसे बन सकती है. फिर आप वो कोलैटरल लो, इमेजेस लो, वीडियोस लो, जो भी आप बनाते हो या यूज करो, वो ग्रुप पे डालो. डोंट से मच, जस्ट लीड विथ what you think the finished product will be. Just ask people, what do you think of this? And you can extract some of these group members from where, go to facebook.com and join food lovers. Go to instagram.com, follow handles that are catering to foodies. Go to WhatsApp group and Reddit and join these communities. वहां से आप लोग लाओ, because they have no sympathy for you.
Yeah.
So they'll be more honest with you. Right? Not all will join, but a few will join. And then start sharing images. Ask them what they think, why they think what they think. Right. So I think that's one easy hack, very low cost. The other one that I think, to go to the next step of validation, which has become now very easy. आप Replit use करो, या Lovable use करो, या अभी अजहर ने भी एक कंपनी स्टार्ट की AI प्रोडक्ट बनाने की. We use, I forget the name, थोड़ा Fanado use करो और एक साइट बना लो. नो प्रोडक्ट, नो इन्वेंट्री, नथिंग. आपके पास सिर्फ इमेजेस है, वीडियोस है, but site should look like there's a real company behind it and real products. ठीक है, और आप माल बेचना शुरू कर दो.
Okay.
So you don't have anything to sell, but you have an ability for somebody to place an order. उससे आपको validation मिलेगा, how many people will pay for it. Of course, when the money comes in, return the money. Right? And say we are not yet ready. और जो भी आपको बोलना है, say we'd love you to be an early customer and we'll keep you in the database or whatever. But you'll get instant validation. How many people are willing to pay for this and what price are they willing to? You can run different tests on it. So you can gather a lot of data.
So then how would you do this for a service company? Like, can you give me like this example of...
नहीं, एक बार मैं just didn't finish. I'll give you another example, right?
Okay.
Anything today, especially if you're in the product space, right? If you're D2C founders, entrepreneurs बहुत होते हैं आजकल, because the barriers to get in have become small in the sense that infrastructure and the rails are already there. Shipping के लिए आपको मारामारी नहीं करनी पड़ती है, payment के लिए नहीं करनी पड़ती है. Everything is plug and play.
Yeah.
ठीक है? If you make, let's say, nut butter. I see a lot of people making nut butters these days. Almond butter. भाई एक बैच बनाना कौन सा मुश्किल है अपने घर में, उसके ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं लगते, बादाम का क्या भाव है, मरमरा मत लाओ, सस्ता वाला ले आओ, ठीक है, बनाओ 1-2 बैच, फिर अपनी कम्युनिटीज में यू विल बी मेंबर ऑफ सम कम्युनिटीज ना, इफ नॉट डिजिटल इवन फिजिकल कम्युनिटीज। आप कहीं जाते होगे कोई स्पोर्ट्स खेलने, वहां पे बुलेटिन बोर्ड्स होते हैं, आप कोई बिल्डिंग में रहते हो तो वहां भी बुलेटिन बोर्ड्स होते हैं, चिपकाओ बुलेटिन बोर्ड पे, सेलिंग XYZ, कॉल फॉर दिस नंबर, दिस प्राइस, दैट्स योर स्टार्ट। These are low cost, great ways to validate and gain confidence in what you're doing.
Yeah.
Right. But to your next question, service companies is about faking it till you make it.
Okay.
Fake it till you make it.
Okay.
We started as a service company. So when I started, besides customer capital, I also started an IT services company जिससे हम दूसरों के लिए वेबसाइट बनाते थे. हर ईरा में हर 10 साल कुछ ना कुछ नया आता है जो लोगों को बनवाना है और उनके पास कैपेबिलिटी नहीं होती है. And generally speaking, these things are not that hard to do. It is just that most people don't want to get started or they feel it's very hard to do, so it's a stumbling block. So if you can get in there and create the perception that you know what you're doing, even if you don't, right? And you can deliver, you're the kind of person who will live up to their promise and you'll figure out how. Create the site, create the deck, create the vaporware and go sell. तो हमने जब IT services company शुरू की, we had like 2-3 engineers, not उनको engineer भी नहीं बोल सकते, right? 2-3 डिजाइनर थे, 5,000 रुपए की सैलरी थी उनको. और मैं चाहता था to sell to companies a website and some back-end stuff and a shopping engine and ये वो कैसा बनाना है वो बाद में देखेंगे, right? हमें यही था कि बेचना है कुछ.
कैसे बेचते थे सर आप?
We used to figure out what somebody needs. Right?
Okay.
We used to do. See, first of all, as I said, when there is a hype, every 10 odd years, there is some hype cycle where people don't know how to get started. तो 20 साल पहले वो था वेबसाइट बनानी, सबको वेबसाइट बनानी है and they want to sell online. ये क्यों करना है? Because everybody is talking about it. करना तो है ही. So that's a great wedge for you to get in. 10 साल पहले वो चेंज हो गया टू मोबाइल.
App.
कि अभी ऐप बनाना है यार, वेबसाइट तो हो गई, जो भी हो गया, बट द वर्ल्ड इज मूविंग टू एप्स. तो दैट वाज अ ग्रेट टाइम टू बी सेलिंग एप्स टू पीपल, राइट? अभी है AI
bots.
राइट? AI bots, कुछ भी है नहीं यार. तो इतना तो यू कैन फिगर आउट कि वेयर द नीड इज, यू कैन क्वालिफाई दैट बाय टॉकिंग टू पीपल, राइट? और फिर आप बनाइए, कोलैटरल बनाइए, मेक सम डेमो स्टफ. डेमो स्टफ नेवर वर्क्स, इट्स नॉट रियल. डेमो स्टफ जस्ट वर्क्स ऑन द फ्रंट एंड, नॉट इन द बैक एंड. And once you have your first client, the path will present itself. और first client, you shouldn't have big wishes कि इतने का client. मेरा पहला client लाइफ में 10,000 रुपए का.
10,000 रुपए का?
10,000. उसको e-commerce engine बना के, एक shopping engine बना के दी थी हमने. 10,000 रुपए मिले थे. बट उससे we learned ना, हमें आता ही नहीं था बनाना, बट उसके पैसे से हमने सीखा.
Very interesting. Hi guys, if you loved watching this clip and if you want to do a deep dive into the podcast, we've mentioned the link in the description. So click that link, watch that podcast and take notes. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more clips.